Hello everyone, this is the video answer key for slide number 20, which is the continuation of the problem that you started in the previous video on slide 19, which is the word problem. So if you recall, we have Ben and we have Owen. We should be writing this down. So we had Ben and um, his equation was 10x plus 55 for how much money he was saving $10 a week, and he started with $55 in the bank. And then we also had Owen. His equation was he was saving $15 a week, so that's 15x, and he started with $20. Now we wanted to know at what point, at what week did they have the same amount in the bank? And we found that to be week 7. So we said that that was week 7. And how much money did they have? Well, we found in the previous video that they had $125 each in the bank. So that was done using the tables. Now we also want to verify that using the graph. That's why we have a graph right here. Alrighty, so I need to label my graph here. And I'll do it in green. So I'm going to label my graph here. The money portion is going to go over here on the side. So this is going to be dollars. And then down here is going to be number of weeks. That's an O. Number of weeks. There we go. So the number of weeks is easy. We can just count by ones down here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll go all the way to 10. Why not? We think it's going to be week 7. We're verifying that. So I just gave myself a little buffer right there. And now we want to go up to, we think it's 125. So what happens if I count by tens here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. That's going to be perfect. So I'm going to count by tens here. That was supposed to be 30. So this is 30, 40, 50, and then I'll just go up by another 50. This is 100. This is 110. This is 120. That's 130. Okay, that should be enough. All right, so we're just going to graph both of these lines here. So we start at 0. When x is 0 for Ben, which is the 0 week, aka how much he starts with. He starts with $55. So that's right here in the middle. And then he's going up by 10 every single time. So he's going up by 10 every single time. So that's right here. And you're just going to keep on going. What week is that? That's week 6. Week 7 is right there. That's 125. Let's keep on going. One more, two more. All right, so we have that. And we make our line right there. There we go. Alrighty. Now we just got to do Owens. So Owen started with $20. So he's going to be right there. And he goes up by 15 every time. So 15, then we go to 35, and then 50, and we're there, and there, and right there, and right there. Ooh, we're so close. And boom, right there. And let's just give ourselves one more. 10, 15, and then he surpasses him. Alrighty. So there we have our lines right there. Now we just need to verify, is it week 7? Our intersection point is right here, and that is week 7. And how much is that? Let's go over it. That's in between the 120, 130. That is 125. So we were right. It is week 7. So we were right. This is our answer. Week 7 is when they have the same amount of money in the bank and they have $125 each. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. And as always, be safe and be healthy. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.